Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about conjunctions and interjections. Conjunctions and interjections. These are two important parts of speech. Now let's examine what a conjunction is. Let's read these examples very carefully. Harry. Harry and Rama are cousins. Harry and Harry and Rama are cousins. Number two, to fight or give up. To fight or give up. That is what we have to decide. To fight or give up. Now, though I like him, I cannot excuse his offense. Though I like him, I cannot excuse his offense. So, what is the role of this word actually? And. See, Harry, you know that Harry is a noun, Rama is also a noun. So, joining together these two nouns, the role of the function of this word is to join together two nouns here, Harry and Rama. We must understand that the role of this and, the word and is just to join Harry and Rama. Okay. Now, in the second sentence, to fight or give up. You know that you have learned what exactly phrase is to fight, to give up. Okay? So recall what you have learned about a phrase to fight, to give up. Phrase is a group of words which doesn't give complete sense, right? So to fight or give up. So joining together two clauses. Now in the third sentence, though I like him, though I like him, I cannot excuse his offense. Now you see, I like him is a clause. I cannot excuse his offense. That is also a clause. So joining together two clauses. Though is used to join these two clauses. I like him. I cannot excuse his offense. Right? So now the highlighted words, therefore, are called conjunctions. These highlighted words are called conjunctions. They are linking words or joining words. I told you they are linked together to nouns or to phrases or to clauses. They are linked together. They are linked to the words as in the first sentence, Harry and Rama. Phrases as in the second sentence, to fight or to give up. And clauses as in the third sentence. So let's therefore define what a conjunction is. A conjunction may be defined as a word used to join together words, phrases, and or clauses. So let's define a conjunction. A conjunction may be defined as a word used to join together words, phrases, or clauses. Now let's move on to another important part of speech, that is interjection. Oh, I have lost my purse. Oh, I have lost my purse. Alas, the poor woman died in the hospital. Hooray, we have a holiday tomorrow. Now, what is the role of these words here? The highlighted words are interjected or thrown in to express a sudden emotion. See, oh, I lost my purse. Or you say, alas, the poor woman died. You express a sudden emotion there, right? We are expressing a sudden emotion. Oh, or alas. There are no grammatical relations to the rest of the sentence. They are not, these kinds of words, these interjections are not related to the rest of the sentence grammatically. An interjection, therefore, can be defined as an utterance of exclamation, expressing a sudden feeling or excitement. Okay, feeling. An interjection, therefore, is an utterance of exclamation, expressing a sudden feeling or excitement. You have please note that the above classification is based on the functions of words in a sentence. Now we have classified words and said the categories, 8 categories of words. Okay, you have to recall all these classes, 8 in number. Parts of speech, we said parts of speech are 8 in number. So we must also remember that these classification is based on the function of a word in a sentence. So remember that every word has a function in a sentence. Every word has a function in the sentence. We cannot say that there are so many words. This word has doesn't. And this word does not have any role to play in a sentence. We cannot say that every word has a role in a sentence. Since a particular word may have different functions in different contexts, its classification will have to change too. The same kind, for example, the same word may act as a noun in one sentence, an adjective in another, a verb in a third, and so on. For example, so we must remember that one word may play a different role. For example, the sun gives us light, right? Now you see here, the sun gives us light. What is this light? It's a noun actually, right? Now you see, the same noun is used here, a light purse. A light purse makes a heavy heart. See, now you see, this is qualifying the word. We have learned what a noun adjective is. It is qualifying the word in a noun, purse. So here it is used as adjective. Now we need a torch to light our way. Now you see here the same word light is used as a verb. So here it is used as a verb. Now you see in the fourth, he treated me in a light-hearted manner. He treated me in a light-hearted manner. We have just learned what exactly an adverb. So it is an adverb here. Now you see. So we must understand at the end, one word may play different roles in different sentences. Now we have seen in the first sentence, light is a noun, and the second, the same light is used as an adjective, and the third sentence, the same light word is used as an verb. See, to light. Now in the fourth sentence, the same word light is used as an adverb. With this, we conclude the lessons about parts of speech. So we assume that we have learned properly and clearly what parts of speech are in English. Now let's do this exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct conjunction from the options provided. I wanted to go for a walk. Dash. It started raining. But or so. Number two, you can have tea dash coffee. You choose something from here and but because. Number three, he was tired dash he continued work, working. He was tired dash he continued working. Here you have to choose from this but and because. I didn't eat I didn't call her. I didn't call her dash I lost my phone. Here you have to choose because or but or. Hurry up dash you will miss the bus and or yet. I hope you have understood the parts of speech very well. Once you have understood it very well, you will be very confident in your English. Thank you. Until we meet again, goodbye and have a good time.